Good morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Year 3 and Year 4 Presentation Assembly. It is Friday the 26th of May 2023 to celebrate all those children who worked really hard this half term and earned themselves certificates. And we're going to start this morning Year 3 with our English stars. And our Year 3 English stars have been working so hard and doing so much writing and filling in so many English books are Rayleigh, Caitlin, Caden and Alita. There you go. Well done, you guys. I know you've been working so hard. Rayleigh's even published a book. Caitlin keeps bringing me writing every single week. It's absolutely fantastic. So keep it up, guys. Enjoy taking your English Star certificates home today. Superstars. Big smiles from Mr. Allen as well. So well done. Our reading stars. Now, these guys have been working so hard on their reading and filling in their reading records non-stop as well. And not only will they get their certificates, they'll get a book as well. Alexia, Lexi, Alexandra and Sophia. So well done, you four, really well done. Keep up that reading over half term. You'll be able to do that now because you have a reading book with your certificate. So well done. On to our mathematicians. Now, mathematicians have been working so hard. Look at the maths. Oh, look at all that maths. We've got Noah, Matidas, we've got Bartos, and we've got Rebecca. Well done, guys. Super impressed. Amazing maths, I know, throughout. And I know you love maths as well, you four. So it's a wonderful certificate to get for you. So really well done. Enjoy taking it home today, you superstars. Well done. On to our scientists. Look at these scientists whizzing in. In they come. We've got Kobe, we've got Beatrix, we've got Lily, and we've got Sinead. Really well done, guys. I'm so impressed with your science this half term as well. And just, I know again, look at Kobe, look at that smile. I know how much you enjoy science as well. So just keep up that after half term as well through to the end of the summer term. And I'm sure you will, you absolute superstars. Well done. On to our history stars. Yes, a little reminder there, a nice little ping there for our history stars. And in they come. Look at this. Yes, we've got Nikita, we've got Emily, we've got Orson, and we've got Maxwell after their little trip away to Gresson Hall. What a fantastic trip that was for our Year 3s. You guys, I know, have thoroughly enjoyed your history topic as well and working so hard this half term. So really well done, you superstars. Well. Very impressed. Our geographers. Look at these geographers. In they come. Look at this. Yes. We've got Eliza, we've got Adele, we've got Oba, and we've got Crystal. Working so hard in geography. And again, loving the geography as well this half term. I know lots of big smiles there. You should be, because you've won yourself your Geography Stars certificates, you superstars. Enjoy taking them home today. Well done. On to our PE stars. Look out, these guys are really physically active. Not only in the clubs they do, but at break times and lunch times, their PE and their games lesson. Here they are. We've got Scarlett, we've got Oliver, Isla Rose, and Tasnim. I know you guys are so, well, every single break, every single lunchtime, you're always coming in fully, like you've had a full-on workout. So I know how much you keep fit, you guys. Just keep that up over half term and carry that on through the summer term. Enjoy taking your certificates home today, you absolute superstars. Well done. On to Year 4 English stars. Look at these guys. Now, these guys have been working so hard in their English lessons. They really have. Benita, Ebony, Dorcas, and Lady. I know you've been working so hard and filling in your second and onto third English books because you've been working so hard and amazing writing. Well done, you four. Enjoy taking your certificates home today, you superstars. Well done. To our reading stars, now I know these guys have been reading, filling in their reading records because I know I've seen them and giving them house points. They're also getting a reading book with their certificate. And it's Lee, Gabia, Sky, and Leah. Well done. Look at that smile there. You should be smiling, guys. You've won yourself your Reading Star certificate and a reading book to read over half term. Well done, you four. Enjoy taking it home today, you superstars. To our math stars. Look at these mathematicians coming whizzing in. In they come. We've got Mia May, we've got Gino, we've got Casper, and we've got Rosie. Working so hard and actually really hard on their maths mastery lessons. So I know these wizards as well as their time-stabled rock stars. So well done, you four. Enjoy taking your certificates home today, you superstars. On to our scientists. And our scientists this half term are Lilith, Cooper, Tyler, and Ruby. Working so hard throughout. I know you really enjoy your science as well. Big smiles again. Enjoy taking your science certificates home today, you superstars. Well done, you four. Our geography stars. Look at these guys. In they come. In they whiz. Look at this. Perla, Robbie, Rosie, and Michael. Well done, guys. I know you again, Robbie, looking like you're enjoying your geography. You always do. So really well done. Fantastic work throughout this half term and look forward to next half term's work as well. So well done, you four, you superstars. Well done. Our history stars. Here comes the historians whizzing in from the past. Jordan, Rebecca, Jake, and Daisy. So well done, guys. I'm so impressed with you. And I know how much you enjoy your history. It is amazing. You have worked really hard with that as well. So really well done. Enjoy taking certificates home today, superstars. our PE stars. Now these guys are really physically active, break time, lunchtime, and in their clubs as well that they go to. Look, here they come. We've got Ramya, we've got Levi, we've got Paul, and we've got Muntaha. I know how physically active you guys all are in your PE, your games lesson, Year 3 football, 3 and 4 football as well that I take as well. So really well done, guys. Enjoy taking a certificate home today. What a good one to end on, being really physically active and carry it on over half term, you superstars. Well done. And there it is. School closes today for half term. As you can say, Friday the 26th of May at 3:15. We're back to school on Monday the 5th of June. Yes, back on Monday the 5th. Gates open at 8:30 as always. So we've got a week off now. And then we're back on Monday the 5th of June at 8:30. Until then, have a fantastic half term, everyone, and we'll see you all then. Bye-bye now.